Good morning, everyone. First of all, I want to welcome you to this new school year. And it has been a difficult time right now, but we're going to be working together as a team and we're going to get through this very soon. Um, I want to share with you in the screen that you might be looking right now. I want this. I want to introduce myself to you. First of all, you can call me Coach Ortiz. I'm a 6th and to 8th grade teacher, ESC PE coach, and I'm very glad to welcome you and your child to my classroom this year. I did my bachelor's degree in the University of Puerto Rico with a degree in physical education. I also finished a certification for adapted physical education. And when I finished my bachelor's degree, I started my master's degree in educational leadership. I have been a teacher already for 7 years, and this is my third year at Boom. One aspect that I want to share with you, and because it's one of my biggest accomplishments, and I'm very happy with that. I had the privilege and honor to represent this school, Shelley Boom Middle School, for the 2019-2020 Teacher of the Year Award. Before we start with the um, talking about the class, I want to tell you if you have any questions regarding your child's performance or any problem that you might want to share with me, or you want to talk something about the class. um, I will share my email with you, but right there you can take a look of it. It's joshua.ortiz at pal.net or via ClassDojo. We want you to take the time to sign up for our classes because it's very important to us. Because we're gonna be able to contact you all the time. It's very easy, and you can see how your kid is doing on the class. But if you want to call me, you can call that phone number 863-421-3302, extension 522. Um, I'm located in the Portable 7, so you can call me anytime in there. This is our comprehensive e-learning physical education virtual class. You can take a look at any moment. I will share this link with you because I want you to take a look of it. We have our Microsoft Teams because we use Microsoft Teams um, to like for our meetings, live meetings. Every single day we have to meet up with the kids, so they have to be present all the time. It's not just doing the assignments on Schoology; they have to be present all the time in Microsoft Teams. So when you go here, if you click on those icons that you see all around, you're gonna have like videos, you're gonna have information about the class. So I want you to take the time to go to, by any chance, you go to those apps and take a look of the information that I have put for you. We're gonna go through all of them. Um, if you click on this one, by example, you get the our app. We use this app for our workouts throughout the day. And like I was saying, in Schoology, you will have all the information, but we want to go back to that information in a minute. I just want to take a quick minute to go over some of the expectations. In Microsoft Teams, like I was saying, for our meetings, they have to be listening all the time. They have to mute themselves. They have to be on time. They have a schedule already, and they have to follow. Our expectation throughout the school is they have to be with their microphones ready for participation and their cameras also. They have to be on when they are participating. When we are doing the workouts, they have to be on. The video camera is not, because there's no other way that we can grade them and see how they are performing if they are not turning the cameras on. They have to come prepared, they have to be ready, they have to be respectful, they have to sit still, they have to be in a quiet place. And if they want to participate, they know they have to raise their hands and last but not least, there's no eating when they are in a class. That's that's all around all the classes. It's not just my class, so they have to be following those expectations. The PE grade is always about participation, 80% of the class, and the other assessment, the other part of the class, like our discussions when we talk, demonstration activity, questions that we might do, like bell works and all that. They have 20% for that, and the rest of the class is all about participation. So this is an active class, so they have to be participating all the time. If they are absent, they need to ask the coach what do they need to do. Since they are in Schoology, they have the Schoology app this year. They have all the assignments and all the things that they might be missing already in there, so they don't have to be like, oh, coach, they just need to go there, just do all the work that they might be missing, and that's basically it for them. They are 105% responsible for taking ownership. This code of conduct, they need to go back. They have an assignment for this week in Schoology that they have to sign and say that they are aware and they know what is our expectations for the class. But I want to show you, because this is just an introduction. When they go to our class, they're gonna find all the student resources. If you can see here, you see all the things that they can find in each folder. If you go in there, you find the workouts. They can follow that, and all the assignments. They have a folder for each week. We have been working with this every single week. I go every single day with them, and they can take a look at the assignments that they have to do that week. And this is a Bellware folder, and this is something that we do daily. And the easiest ways to find what we have to do is going to be on the right side of the Schoology page. It's right there on the right side. They just click on those assignments, and this one, by example, if you click this one, it's going to open you the assignment for the Schoology code of conduct, the expectations we were talking about. You see, they're gonna read it, they're gonna answer, and they're gonna submit their response. Okay, so it's very easy. They just need to follow the directions. They know how to work already because we have been working since first day of the school. But if they are new, it is not a difficult page. It's very easy. And here on the top of the page, they will have the link for each day. You see, they have a date and time that they need to be on the class. Okay, so that's basically all the information that I can share with you, because this is a short informational video. But if you still have any questions, I already shared with you my information. Once again, you can contact me anytime. Any questions, once again, is on the screen. If you have any questions regarding the class, don't bother, don't wait any time, and call me 863-421-3302, extension 522, or to my class dojo. Please try to sign up for class dojo, because it is a very important app for us to communicate with you, and the rest is just things that they already know, and they have been doing very good this year, so we expect a lot of good things. But before we go, thank you for your time once again, and if you have any questions, please contact me anytime. And remember, we are dealing with this situation right now, and it's very important that everybody does the part. So if you go outside, please practice social distancing, and always try to wear your mask. Okay, so wear your mask and be ready for what is coming. Have a good day.